OnePlus has revealed the design of the upcoming OnePlus 15T, showing it in cocoa brown and matcha green color options with a flat frame, flat display, and a square camera island housing two vertically aligned cameras. There is still a square camera island in the top left corner of the phone's back. OnePlus is set to launch the 15T in China this month. The OnePlus 15T's bezels will be very thin and uniform. They'll be thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro bezels. The OnePlus 15T will allegedly have a 50MP main camera using Sony's 1/1.56 type Lisha 700 sensor, and a 50MP telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. Fresh camera samples shared online give a glimpse of its imaging direction. The OnePlus 15T will feature a new LUMO periscope telephoto lens, promising notable improvements in both hardware and image processing. OnePlus 15T will feature a 6.3-inch 165Hz OLED display. That panel will offer a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Smartphone had an IP68 rating. The smartphone is tipped to have a metal frame. It will be paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is the same chipset powering the main OnePlus 15 flagship, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage, a battery of over 7,000 mAh, and will support wireless charging. The OnePlus 15T weighs 194 grams. It's also expected to debut in India as the OnePlus 15s. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.